Are you tired and frustrated trying to gain control of your WordPress development project? Perhaps you're overwhelmed by the constant updates, bugs, and technical issues that plague your site. Or maybe you just can't find the time to optimize your site for speed and search engine visibility. If any of these scenarios sound familiar, then it's time to consider a more efficient solution. Introducing GK Web Agency, your one-stop destination for all WordPress maintenance and management needs. Our team of WordPress experts is committed to fully managing, protecting, and enhancing your website, so you don't have to. At GK Web Agency, we understand that your website is an essential part of your business. That's why we offer a comprehensive range of services to keep it running smoothly and efficiently. We provide regular updates to your WordPress core, themes, and plugins to ensure your site remains secure and bug-free. But our services don't stop there. We know that a slow website can cost you visitors, which is why we also focus on speed optimization. By implementing advanced caching techniques and optimizing your images, we can significantly improve your site's load time, keeping your visitors happy and engaged. We also understand the importance of search engine visibility for your business. Therefore, we offer search engine optimization services to improve your site's ranking and increase your online visibility. But what sets us apart is our commitment to personalized service. We take the time to understand your business and your goals, tailoring our services to meet your specific needs. And with our 24/7 live support, you can rest assured that help is always just a click away. So why continue to struggle with your WordPress development project when you can have a team of experts managing it for you? With GK Web Agency, you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Take a step toward a more efficient and stress-free website management experience. Contact GK Web Agency today at www.geekwebagency.com.au.